Before treatment, let customer stand and take customer's measurements of arm, waist, and thigh. Let customer lie on the bed. Arm, fat dissolving and body shaping treatment. Apply essential oil on arm evenly. Set stone, vacuum, and cavi function parameters. Use the stone, vacuum, and cavi handpiece to perform treatment on arm. Set stone, vacuum, and RF function parameters. Use the stone, vacuum, and RF handpiece to perform treatment on arm. Abdomen and waist, fat dissolving and body shaping treatment. Set stone, vacuum, and cavi function parameters. Apply essential oil on abdomen and waist evenly. Use the stone, vacuum, and cavi handpiece to perform treatment on abdomen and waist. Set stone, vacuum, and RF function parameters. Use the stone, vacuum, and RF handpiece to perform treatment on abdomen and waist. Leg, fat dissolving and body shaping treatment. Set stone, vacuum, and cavi function parameters. Apply essential oil on leg evenly. Use the stone, vacuum, and cavi handpiece to perform treatment on leg. Set stone, vacuum, and RF function parameters. Use a stone vacuum and RF handpiece to perform treatment on leg. Wipe the treated area clean. After treatment, let customer stand and take customer's measurements of arm, waist, and thigh.